Hello friends. In this video I want to show you my eternal drip irrigation, which I made with my own hands from improvised materials that are inexpensive. And everyone can do it, and forget forever that you need to buy drip tapes every year. To whom the information will be useful, be sure to put a like. I will be very pleased, and also in the comments, please write what kind of drip irrigation you are using now. Whether it suits you or not. I think after watching this video, you will definitely make one for yourself. I want to say right away about the greenhouse. I have a greenhouse 8 yards long. Here are 2 pipes. Here is another bed. It is 7 yards long, and here is the third bed, also 8 yards. What did I use for this drip irrigation? Now I have it turned off. I put myself a 200-gallon barrel. And I will also advise you to immediately put under such watering if you have a large greenhouse, a bigger barrel. And what else I want to say, such drip irrigation is suitable not only for a greenhouse, but also for a vegetable garden. Only the ground level in your garden should be even, because if there is a ground, for example, going up from a water source, from a barrel, then there will be much stronger watering, and at the end of the bed it will be weaker. So if you make beds for such watering, then at the end the bed should be literally a little below the level from the barrel itself. Then there will be a uniform watering. Otherwise, if it is lower here, then this part will be watered more, and less water will reach the very end. Watering will be uneven. As you can see, everything grows here evenly. I used a metal plastic pipe. Its diameter is 16 millimeters. What is the advantage of a metal plastic pipe? It is soft and you can bend it as you want. See here, it is curved and customized to fit its area. Metal plastic pipe is not subject to destruction from ultraviolet rays. It will last a very long time. This drip irrigation will definitely be enough for your life. Therefore, I can call it eternal. Various connections will also be required. You can calculate the number of them yourself, because you know how many beds you have. At the end I put corner joints, and in the center there are such T's. I also put a faucet here. For those who have already understood why this faucet is needed, please write in the comments. I want to find out if I have many subscribers who know what one crane is needed for separating all these beds. The barrel, as I said, is 200 gallons. It stands next to the greenhouse and is raised to a height of 4 feet. The higher you raise it, the stronger the pressure will be. I ran the pipe through the film and set this timer for watering. I ordered this timer on AliExpress. You can set any timer for watering that is sold in your country. Here's how you can see I have the optimal watering option for my greenhouse. This is once every 12 hours drip irrigation is started, and the duration of drip irrigation is half an hour. This is enough for beds. Now I'll tell you and show you how it works. You need to make a hole in the pipes. I did it with a drill bit with a diameter of 2 millimeters. As we can see, there is a hole near each plant. Now my watering does not work. That's how all the pipes I have already marked, respectively. In the next years I will also plant seedlings next to the holes. The best distance between all the plants that can be grown in greenhouses, these are peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, will be 20 inches. Now I will explain why the hole is made at the top of the pipe, and not at the bottom. At the top they are made because the water first fills the entire pipe, squeezing air through these holes, and then only the drops begin. And at the end of the pipe I have plugs installed. Now I will actually demonstrate and show you how such a drip irrigation works. I turn it on and listen. The mechanism has opened, and the water has gone. Now it will be perfectly visible from every hole. Let's switch here and now wait until the water comes to this particular bed. That's how we see a drop went. This is the best option, and in conclusion I will say that it took me about 2 hours to do such a drip watering. It was necessary to align the pipe because it is twisted into a skein. I leveled it, laid it out on all the beds and marked at the top with a marker where there will be holes. Of course, what everyone cares about is how much such a drip irrigation will cost. I live in Ukraine, and approximately such watering for my entire large greenhouse cost me $25. But it still depends on what price you have these materials. If the information from this video was useful to you, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.